I'm Dave. Today's a special one because we're going to do Alton Brown's quick and easy grilled pork tenderloin. Let's get it started. Okay, we're going to begin with the pork marinade, and Alton Brown says this is the only marinade you'll ever need for pork tenderloin. To stay true to his recipe too, we're going to put it in this ball jar to mix it. So we're going to add lime juice, a whole lot of honey, kosher salt, the zest of a lime, get that all in there, a little powdered garlic. And we're gonna shake that and mix that up here. I like the ball jar idea. Give it a little taste. Oh man, that's outstanding. And we're gonna dump in chipotle peppers with some adobo sauce. And we're gonna let this marinate. Gotta let it sit for at least 6 hours. Alton suggests 24 hours, so give it a full day. Okay, now that the pork's been marinating, we've got the broccoli here. We're gonna set this marinade up, and it's a simple marinade for some good tasting spicy broccoli, some olive oil, honey. Get all of that good honey in there. Soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, minced garlic, and some red chili pepper flakes. So we're gonna mix that all up now. Gonna add just a pinch of coarse pepper and kosher salt as well. Now we're gonna dump in the broccoli and mix that all in really good. And then we'll let this sit too until we're ready to grill. I might have to taste a little piece. Okay, the grill's up to perfect temperature. Now this is the pork tenderloin I marinated overnight. We're gonna throw this on. You can hear that sizzle. And then we're gonna flip it every few minutes or so. It should only take about 15 minutes. We're gonna cover it like that. When this is done, we'll rest it for about 10 minutes. That's when we'll do the broccoli on the plancha. Here, we're gonna give it a flip. Oh. And I give it another flip here. Look at those beautiful grill marks on here. We're getting a great sear, getting that marinade. Ooh, smells amazing. Gonna load the broccoli up here. And again, with this marinade, I've already been eating this broccoli. It's incredible. It's great cooked, it's great cold. And we'll take this off in about a minute. This pork tenderloin looks amazing, smells incredible. I think Alton Brown knows what he's talking about with this marinade here. Now we saved half of it earlier. We're gonna dump that on it here and close this up while it rests. Oh, that's incredible. Okay, this pork tenderloin smells incredible. Again, we had it sit in the rest of the marinade that we saved here to rest. Look at how juicy that looks. It smells incredible. I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling. We're gonna slice this here, and it is cooked perfectly. It's taking a lot of restraint not to take a bite at the moment. Beautiful grill marks on this too. We're gonna just lay this out. This one doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to eat that. We're gonna drizzle a little of this marinade on top too. Now we're gonna place the broccoli around it. Looks incredible. And sprinkle a little cilantro over the pork for a nice little garnish. Thanks for joining me for this great cook. It was so much fun. Alton Brown's marinade, simple but just perfect for pork tenderloin. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. We'd be happy to do it. Have a great day, and remember, spread love through barbecue.